In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Go++. This modified version of the game has a spoofer, a joystick, a location changer, and all these other features that you can check by yourself once you get the game. Now, this works both in Android and iOS, but if you are in an iPhone, there's a couple of settings that you need to change to prepare your phone for installing this modified version of Pokemon Go. So, on iOS devices, first you need to go to Settings, and then you need to go to General Settings. And once you're here, you need to go and find Background App Refresh and make sure that it's turned on. For me, it's on already, but if it's off for you, if it says Background App Refresh off like this, you need to tap on it, and then you need to tap on Wi-Fi and mobile data to turn it on. Once you're done this first setting, you need to go back to your main settings, and then find the Battery tab, just like this. Once you find the Battery tab, you need to tap on it and that's gonna open a new window. And when you are on this new window, make sure that low power mode is off. For me, it's off already, but if it's on for you, you need to tap on this handle and it's gonna turn low power mode off. And this is all the settings that you need to change on your iPhone. Android devices need to start to follow the steps right now because from now until the end, it's the same both in Android and iOS. The next thing that you need to do on both devices is that you need to open your browser and go to yoplugin.com. So yoplugin.com is the website that you need to go. And once you are on this page, you can either use the search bar to start looking for Pokemon Go or just scroll down until you find the game. In my case, I will choose to use the search bar just to show you how it's done. If you type Pokemon, you're gonna see that Pokemon Go is gonna show up. And then to get the app, you need to simply tap on it. And then again, you need to tap on this Start Installation button. Now, this is going to start preparing the files and with the installation of Pokemon Go++, which has the spoofer, the joystick. But for this installation to be successfully completed, sometimes it might ask you to complete a couple of more steps, which in this case, they are very well explained. And then once you complete these extra steps, only then you'll be able to get the Pokemon Go++ with the spoofer and the joystick, and it's the same in Android and iOS. As soon as you complete the extra steps, the game is going to be installed on your phone automatically, and this is how it's going to look like in the end. After you're done with everything, you will get Pokemon Go++ on your game, and I'm going to show you right now how it's going to look like. So yeah, after you complete the steps, after you complete every single thing that is required to you, I've already completed the extra steps, so I don't need to complete them again, but once you're done, this is how the game is going to look like, and it's going to say Pokemon Go++. You need to tap on the game, and you're going to see that it's going to have the joystick, the spoofer, the location changer, and all these other features that you can actually check by yourself. Thank you for watching and share this with your friends.